I wanted to show y'all something real simple and tasty to make on a busy day. I call this my triple dip beef and noodles. We start with 2 pounds of ground beef, and once we got our beef in there, we're going to start with our dips. We got French onion dip to start. Just scrape that whole baby out. This is a 9-ounce can, 8 or 9 ounce, I'm trying to remember. Once you got your French onion, move along to our bean dip. Trust me, y'all, trust the process on this one, trust me. Once you got your bean dip nice and scraped out, finally we're going to throw in 15-ounce container of cheese dip, queso dip, whatever you want to call it. It's good and it's cheesy. And once you got your cheese dip in there, we're going to do a couple seasonings. I'm going to do 1 to 2 teaspoons worth of garlic powder because I love garlic. And so should you. Black pepper, another teaspoon to 2 teaspoons worth. Alright, once you got all your dips and your seasonings in there, we're going to throw half a cup of beef broth into that. Go ahead and get all that mixed around. Once you got that nice and mixed together, finally we're going to throw 1 block of Philadelphia cream cheese right on top. We're going to put the lid on. We're going to cook this on high for 1.5 to 2 hours. Alright, while that's finishing up, we're going to shred 1 cup of cheddar cheese. It's a nifty little device I got recently to help save some time in the kitchen. Pour the rest of that in there. Once you have your 1 cup of shredded cheese, let's go ahead and take our lid off. We're going to stir this around, get that cream cheese nice and mixed. That is smelling like some flavor. And once you got your cream cheese mixed in there, go ahead and throw that cup of shredded cheese in there. Stir it around till it gets nice and melted in. And once you got your cheese nice and melted in, finally we're going to toss in 12 ounces of cooked egg noodles. Get that folded in. Alright, once you got your noodles nice and mixed in, this baby is ready to try. Let's dig in, folks. Yeah, creamy. Yum. Yeah. All right. Y'all, I'm trying to tell you, give this a try. Trust me.